Good morning. Today I talk about how to make a bed in a hospital. The first process is suit up. What is this? Is wear the proper protective gear before cleaning up a hospital bed. There are all sorts of pathogens that could be harbored in juicy dirty lines, so suit up with glove and a mask. Second one is they bring the essential. Bring all the necessary tools, how clean sheets, linings, laundry beds, disposable gloves, and waterproof pads if applicable. The third one is the remove personal items from the bed. For example, patients sometimes leave personal items like glass, wallet in their beds. Make sure to remove these items and put them in a safe place before removing the dirty lines. For the staff don't break or do another things with the personal object. The fourth is remove sheets. Careful remove sheets. Make sure you are not agitating them in the process if they are soiled. Place them in the appropriate containers. The five is place bottom sheet. Make sure that the centerfold of the sheet is right in the middle of the bed. Secure side by monitoring if the sheets are not the fitted kind. The sixth is place all the other sheets layers. Make sure the centerfold is in the middle of the bed and that all the sides and the ends are tucked under the mattress carefully. The seventh is change sheets on occupied bed is a slightly more complicated process because you need to take care with the patient because his body you don't want to be any harm for the patient. So you need if the patient is for example conscient, you need to ask for the patient help you. You explain what you do and try to do the more effective way for your patient. This is so important because the hygiene helping the care of the patient. It's the more humanity and the uh, decrease the probability of the patient get an infection or another problem. For me is all for today. See you in the next video.